Hi, Peter Hudson, head of the YGA and operator of the Free Lessons for Life program here at the beautiful El Plantillo Resort in Alicante. We're going to have a couple of ideas that come from the golfing machine about how, one, to set up to extricate the ball from the sand, and two, one aspect of the power pressure points that we could use to help feel what we want. What do we want? We want the club head to go through at a certain speed, at a certain depth, but slightly different from every other swing in golf. One, we're not hitting the ball, and two, we're very interested in hitting the ground first of all with the bounce to make sure that the leading edge doesn't go in, and showing quite a club face that's actually pointing up in the air. So if we're going to take advantage of that, we could use the trigger finger, and instead of the trigger finger putting weight at the back of the shaft for impact, we want to actually feel that it's underneath the shaft, so that this will stay pointing at the ground throughout. The second idea is around the possible three hinges. So golfing machine suggests there's three hinges: vertical, horizontal, and angled. With the vertical hinge of this arm, we guarantee that that club face is going to stay open. So I'm going to put these two factors together, do all my normal bunker preparation, really put my attention into the trigger finger underneath, and even the other three fingers on my target hand, and I'm going to work this with what I would think is a vertically hinged swing. Give this a go, put your attention into the trigger finger, feel that you're working the club this way rather than that way. Notice how this just pops out and how easy it is to take that 6 inches of sand that mean you're going to be successful in the sand. Thank you for listening.